Hello and welcome to the unboxing of another Xiaomi gadget. This is the Xiaomi Yeelight Smart Dimmer Switch. As you probably know, there are two different dimmer switches made by Yeelight. One is wired switch and the other one is wireless. Because these switches use English version of the box for installation, I decided to go with the wireless version because in Europe we have round installation plates for these switches. So this one is pretty cheap. It's available on AliExpress for around $10-11. And let's see what it looks like and how it works. I just need to find how to open this box. Okay, like this. And here it is. These dimmers work unfortunately only with the Yeelight ceiling lights. They don't work with regular bulbs. There's the instruction manual, which is again only in Chinese. Let's unpack it. So here it is. So this dimmer should support several things. One is to dim your light. You can just turn it, and one is to push it to turn it on, and probably it should support long press. So as you can see, that can be normally just glued onto your wall, or you can just put it on your desk and use it. So they operate on standard CR2432 batteries. So let's just try to install it in Mi Home and pair it with the ceiling light. Okay, so let's just launch the Mi Home app and see how it goes. We need to find the ceiling light and with which to pair, and this is the one ceiling living room. And somewhere here in the menu there should be remote control. Okay, here it is, remote control. Okay, so now we need to turn off the light physically with the switch. And once it's on, press the button on the remote controller and it will show up in your devices. So the only thing left to do is just glue your switch to the wall. There are self-adhesive tapes on the back, so you can just put it somewhere you like. I put it next to my Acura switch, which controls lamps, and this one controls the ceiling light. So by single pressing, as you can probably see by the intensity of light on the video, the light is turned on. Another short press and the light is turned off. Okay, and when you press it and hold it, it will change the color of the surround light. I don't know what it does on 450 and 480, which doesn't have. You can see changes to green, to blue, to red. Okay, and there is another thing that is double click. When you double click, it switches to moon mode. Of course, by turning on, by turning the switch, you can set intensity on moon mode. So when you double click it again and turn, you can set the intensity on normal mode. So that's about it for Yeelight light switch. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time.